Python's built-in data types are essential for programming. Integers represent whole numbers, while floats handle decimals. Strings store text, and booleans represent truth values. Complex numbers include real and imaginary parts. Understanding these types is crucial for efficient data manipulation and memory management in Python. Python's built-in data types are essential for programming. Integers like 42 or -17 represent whole numbers. Floats, such as 3.14, include decimals. Strings like hello store text. Booleans express truth values, true or false. Complex numbers, such as 1 plus 2j, combine real and imaginary parts, enabling diverse operations. Visualizing Python data types helps in understanding their practical applications. Numeric types include integers like 42, floats like 3.14, and complex numbers like 1 plus 2j. Text and logic types encompass strings such as hello and booleans like true. For instance, age is an integer, price a float, and name a string. Python's type function is crucial for verifying data types, aiding in debugging and ensuring correct data processing. For instance, type 42 returns class int, while type 3.14 yields class float. Similarly, type Python results in class daughter. This function helps confirm data structures before performing operations.